Celebrate May the 4th. We eat out. We eat out. May the 4th be with you. Yay! We are here at downtown Disney. So we're just gonna have lunch and check it out what's going on. Star Wars Day! Yeah, I'm gonna get a Star Wars cup. So someone is happy and she just said that she wants to get a new lightsaber.
Of course. But I think we need a number so that we could go like and check it out. The number right now is 84 and my number is 102. So we have to wait.
Do you want to come back?
This.
You want that?
The blade is okay.
This is the 31 inch. We also have the 36.
31 is better. I'm small.
36.
No, I can't have 36. I'm short. It's easier to. Here we go. And this is a 31, right? Yeah, I think I'm 31. Yeah, I'm getting it.
You happy with it?
Yeah.
You should stay here until tonight.
Okay.
Like that.
And this is how we celebrate May the 4th. We eat out. We eat out. May the 4th be with you. This is a fool.
May the 4th be with you. We just got home from downtown Disney. We went to the Star Wars store and we bought the Darth Vader lightsaber. So when you buy this, this blade, the saber blade, is sold separately plus the batteries, I think. I will open this one and I will show you what's inside this. The case itself is made of plastic, but it feels like it's secured. So this is where you open it, you press that button. Inside, the saber is protected by some fabric and it's secured. The lightsaber itself is made of metal. It's pretty heavy. And the black ones are made of rubber. This one comes with 3 double A's. You twist until it's loose and then you will find the battery case inside. So it has 3 double A's. And just put it back there and tighten it again. To put the saber blade, you have to remove the cap here. Remove that black cap. And then this one has a guide sticker, so that one is the front. So put it there, put it inside all the way in. And then you twist to lock it. This is the on and off switch. Let's turn it on. There you go. Overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. May the 4th be with you. See you again next time.